Welcome back to learning more about Unisyn. In this video, we will talk about basic chat features and an overview of what you can do to connect with other people in the Unisyn application. While your screen may look different, on the bottom left corner of my screen, you will see chats. Underneath that chat icon, we'll open up all the chats I currently have available to me from people who have spoken to me already, people I have reached out to myself, or teams that I've been placed on. You may find that in your organization, you may have been placed into existing chat groups with peers or others in the organization who you should be sharing information with and collaborating with on a daily or ongoing basis. On the upper right corner of my screen, you will see the search icon. I can click in there and search for a keyword, a phrase, a person. So if your chats are significant and you have a history of sending communications to other people and you're not sure where to find a certain chat or conversation that you had, the search icon is a great place to start. Clicking the plus icon on the upper right corner of my screen will allow me to begin a new sort of communication. I can choose to create a chat. That would be like a text message between one person and another. I could send a chat to multiple people, a whole group if I want to. Some companies will enable broadcast, where if you are a senior leader or someone with access to this feature, you may send out an announcement to the whole organization. We will focus our attention for this video on the chat capability. You may have a variety of individuals in your organization that you can reach out to via chat. I can select a group chat and chat with multiple people at the same time, or I can select an individual who I want to communicate with. In this video, I will select Adam. I can now send a message directly to Adam, send him a picture, send him a link, send him a document. I could connect with him using the conference call feature. I could phone him using audio or video calls. I could also create topics. This allows me to be productive and structure my conversations with this individual or other individuals. These topics could be related to customer experience, maintenance tasks, managerial chats, any topic you wish. This concludes the basic chat features overview in Unisyn.